Now let's look into some AVDS best practice. Actually, it's some cases sharing. The first one, we may not disclose the name of that company, but it's the most famous real estate company. After we do the AVDS deployment for them, and it really accelerated their scanning speed. Previously, they may take 2 weeks to do a full scanning for their IT infrastructure, but with our solution, now it was shrink to only 2 days. And you can see from the point 2, the AVDS can not only scan the massive resources, but also it can identify the very particularly secure leak. Like for this case, we identify we identify one MySQL database. We found that the database was actually configured with some default password. This is really a huge security leak, and we noticed customer immediately and hardening the database immediately. And during the work with this company, and we have the Alibaba Cloud engineers also help the customers to fix our the founded 46 vulnerabilities in 2 days in their network. So all these examples and data just showing that how the AVDS can help you to accelerate your vulnerability scanning and fixing timeline. Again, we are actually using this kind of automatically detection service by ourselves for years. And when the WannaCry virus is coming out, and Alibaba Cloud is responding to that very quickly, and we immediately found the scanning the customers' services and servers and found the vulnerabilities, and we quickly noticed our customer in very short time. And again, for the JBoss vulnerability was happening in the year 2017 and November, and we using this kind of AVDS service to find more than 300 web server, and was kind of like continuous with this vulnerability, and we can notice them. Actually, you can find that it's a huge amount of web services was actually affected by this vulnerability, but we just scan all these vulnerabilities out in just 5 minutes. It's really a significant, very fast speed. Okay, all in all, in today's online course, we introduced one of the very impressive and very high-speed vulnerability scanning service. We call them the AVDS. And AVDS service is already running in the Alibaba Cloud in the China mainland, and we are going to promote and trying to make its release very soon in our overseas market. So, but now you already have the chance to look into the more details about this product and the pricing list. So you can go to the link here to find more information about the AVDS.